everyone, welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing, and yes, you guessed it, it is yet another planner. I have my cute little coffee. Let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I already covered everything up, just like being extra cautious. All right, hear me out. Before I open this up, I love my current planner, but I'm gonna go on a break from this. It's like a relationship, you know? Sometimes you need to go on a break. I don't know what I'm saying, but seriously, lately I've been like, I don't know, I feel like I've lost my planner mojo. I don't know. Oh my god, that's so bitter. Anyways, I feel like I've lost my planner mojo. I feel like I've had burnout and just all these things, and I was like, you know what, maybe, just maybe, I should just get a new planner and try a new layout. I did talk to my bestie, and she told me it was maybe not a good idea, and I didn't listen to her, and it's a little too late, and I'm not gonna return it, so I'm just gonna use it up. All right, so I got it, of course, from Sterling Ink. I recently fell in love with Sterling Ink this year, and I have no regrets. I love the planner quality, love the paper, love the layout. It's me. I know it's me. Every time it gets through like the first quarter of the year, I feel like I want some change. I don't know what happens. I cut my hair, like I feel like I need a change. I don't know why that happens with me. If you're like me, comment down below and tell me. All right, so as you can tell, I'm opening up the freebie because I didn't say anything, but I love how Sterling Ink has the cutest little freebies, and she also includes a cute little card with her info for her shop or whatever. Really cute. And here's the planner. In case you are curious, I feel like the B6 size is my size, so I got a B6, but I got a B6 Slim. It is slightly smaller than the regular B6, so I'm going to show you. I did open this up already. I just wanted to open it up with you guys as well and kind of like tell you where I'm going with this. Because honestly, I feel like I have no idea where I'm going, to be honest. But just planner shut. Okay, so here's the little card. Gorgeous, beautiful. We have the whole year here, which I love. And here is the planner. Let me just show you for comparison. It is the exact same color. It is like, I have the gilded edges, everything is the same. I just got it smaller, as you can tell. Look, same height, of course. It is a B6, but okay, so I got it because I thought it was gonna be the 200 something pages one, but I was tempted to get an imperfect one, and it has 116 pages in the back, so I won't be able to finish the rest of the year with this planner. So my plan is I'm gonna use this as my catch-all for now. Once the back pages are done, then I'm gonna come back to this one. So it should be around August that I'm coming back to this one, and then it's gonna be like a new fresh love, if that makes any sense. So let's open this up. Like I said, it's imperfect. It has like a little, like some little marks here, which I don't care, and the pages were a little bit stuck together, and I already fixed that. I already took the time to just, you know, all right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so here we have, like the other planner, a blank page, and we have the page where it tells you what planner you have. So this is a B6 Slim Compact Full Year. The Compact Full Year for Sterling Ink is the full year, but it doesn't have as many pages in the back. When you get a full year, you have a lot of pages in the back. All right, here we have the year at a glance, which I love. They don't have any extra years. I don't need to know what's gonna happen next year. Nobody knows what's gonna happen next year. All right, and here we have two blank grid pages. We have the goal breakdown, which what I'm gonna do in here, I'm gonna write my goals from this planner are gonna go here. That's just what I'm gonna do. In here, same. I usually use this section for tracking my steps. My steps from my other planner are gonna come here because I don't want to have January, February, March empty. So that's what I'm gonna do there. And I don't do much here. I feel like I have to do a little bit more. I don't know. Comment down below and tell me what you do, because I honestly don't know what to do in this section. I kind of like used it to kind of write what I wanted to do and kind of track a few things, but I think my main issue this year is that I have too many planners. I said it before and I'll say it again. When I have too many planners, I get overwhelmed. So I think the best option for me is to only have one planner and one planner only. Well, with the exception of my wellness planner, because I feel like that one is just like every week is the same. So I really don't fail in that planner. There's just no way for me to fail. All right, so in here we have the monthly same as the other planner, like I said, but just a little bit thinner, that's all. And we have all the way to January 2026, which we all know I'm not gonna have that planner by then. And here's the layout. Here's the weekly layout. It is let me see, sorry about that. It is a what's that called, vertical layout. That's my favorite layout. This also comes in the horizontal, but I didn't want to complain with that. I don't know if I'm gonna add tabs. I don't know, like I don't know. And here in the back we have some grid pages, which I'm gonna be using them for journaling. Like I said, since this one is an imperfect planner, it has 117 pages, well 119 pages in the back. I thought I was gonna get to 172 and then I would have ended the year with this one, but it just didn't have it. I really like it. I love the size. I don't think I'm gonna do too much on it, like buy a more expensive cover or anything like that, because like I said, this is a temporary something. This is a temporary planner, but I don't know why that happens to me every year. I feel around this time of the year that I want to change. I want to change my planner, and I just like I stop. I don't know what happens. It's like planner burnout. Anyway, so next time you see me planning, you're gonna see me planning with this one. If you are more into the B6 regular size, I completely understand. So this is where I'm at right now in my life, you know. I feel like every time I go through changes in my life, I change my planner and I try to use whatever works for me best. So I'm gonna use this planner. I'm gonna see how it goes with it. And then that's a good tip for me. If you can afford it and you feel like you're having planner burnout and you're having second thoughts about your planner and you can do it, try to get another planner. Try to, you know, try another layout, see if it works out for you. I feel like the B6 size works out great for me. I just don't know why I'm so overwhelmed with it. I don't know. All right, so that is pretty much it. Thank you all for watching this video and sticking around. I hope you will watch my future videos. Mainly this planner is for planner related and journaling and all the stuff related to planning. So that's what I'm gonna be sharing with you all. Sometimes I'm gonna use this planner, sometimes I'm gonna use this one, other times I'm gonna use like whatever size, but mainly my channel is for planning related content. So if you enjoy that and you want to stick around, I appreciate you. And if you want to subscribe, thank you so much. All right, so that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you really soon for another one. Bye.